Today I'm going to put a coloured background behind some text, line by line. This is one way to do it, and I like this method. I'll start by making a document, and I'll make it 1200 by 800 pixels. Create. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. That's nice and clear. So I'll start off by making some text. Make some text. And I'll make it bigger. Okay, that should be nice and clear. Now, I'll duplicate the layer. And hide it for the moment. I'm going to come back here. And I'm going to make this a nice colour. So I'll select all of it. And we'll make it a nice colour. Where are we going? It's a bit brighter than I want, so I'll just take the brightness down. And the saturation up. Just because I felt like it. So we've got that there in a nice colour. What I'm going to do now is underline it. So I can go to this palette here, and in this menu I can choose underline. Okay, and then I'll go back to the layer and I'm going to convert it to a shape. Convert to shape. Lovely. Then I can go to the path selection tool and select the words and delete them. Then I'll put my text back again. And just because I want to, I'm going to make all of that text white. So it's disappeared for a moment, but it is going to come back. So I'll choose the underlines again, and this time I'm going to the direct selection tool. And I'm going to select the tops of each of the underlines. And then with Shift Control Up arrow, I can do this. That's nice. One more. Yeah. And then I can select the left edges and I can do Shift Command left arrow. I don't have to press Shift. It's just slower if I don't press Shift. So then I can select the right. Shift Command right arrow. And then sometimes, just depending on how it turns out, I might need to align it a bit vertically, but this time it was okay. So there we have it, text on a coloured background, line by line. See you soon.